Do you want to be able to use CapCut template on TikTok? Well, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be to of course come to our TikTok app, and now what you need to do is to actually click on home in the bottom left corner, because then you should be taken to your For You page, and then click on the search icon in the top right corner. Now we're going to search for CapCut templates. So search for CapCut templates in here, and as you can see we can just either scroll down in here, as you can see, and then find what kind of template that we actually like to use. So basically we can actually just scroll down and see if we can find something in here. Just as an example, we can take this just as an example, right? And as you can see where it says CapCut, try this template, I'm just going to click here, and as you can see it says use template in CapCut. So I'm just going to click here as well, and then it should actually take me to my CapCut app, straight to my CapCut app, and in there I will be able to actually record and use that template. So basically this is exactly how you can actually do this. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.